In this video, we are going to demonstrate the assembly of the Click&Dry Maxi conversion with threaded retainer, threaded for heavy-duty and heavily soiled conditions. With the bench plate positioned on a flat surface, mount the retainer into the cut of the plate with the castellations looking up. Securely place the tapered swirl base flat into the castle turrets with swirl opening facing up. Place disc O-ring into groove securely by pushing in all around. Use of a food-graded O-ring lubricant helps this process and protects the O-ring. Squarely place seal-in disc, orifice disc on top of swirl with O-ring and disc groove facing upwards. Tip: using a seal-in disc allows smoother cap internals, easier cap cleaning and reduced bearding. With the disc O-ring in place and facing upwards, screw cap firmly onto retainer. Inspect from end face of tightened cap assembly. Seal-in disc should be resting up hard against inner wall of cap outlet without any gaps that might indicate a loose O-ring, loose wear parts, or damaged threads. If so, check components and repeat from beginning. Fit body O-ring within O-ring groove. Ensure proper fit. Keep cap inverted before assembly to lance. Whilst holding the nozzle cap with the O-ring groove facing upwards and O-ring in place, the cap assembly can now be carefully hand screwed up into the nozzle lance body. With the cap hand tightened to the body, use Click&Dry multi-tool spanner to nip up the caps, ensuring the carrier is fully engaged and secure. Using Click&Dry multi-tool spanner, unscrew the cap assembly from nozzle body. With bench plate mounted on a flat surface, position the cap assembly into the cut. Insert pin on bench plate orifice and using Click&Dry multi-tool spanner, unscrew cap from retainer. Use O-ring pick to remove old O-rings. Change the old O-rings after each run. Always replace O-rings and sealing materials with new replacement. Click&Dry. It's easy to join the nozzle revolution.